This episode, I'm digging into resale value shifts, driver pay challenges, holiday theft risks, and a new round of industry momentum you'll want on your radar. Plus, your chance to vote in all three Work Truck Awards. If you want to start the month ahead of the curve, you're in the right place.
If your business has fleets to fuel, there's really only one way to go: Chevron. That's because Chevron is the source for insights and fuel. When you're ready to go to the source at regi.com.
Hey there, Work Truck friends. Lauren Fletcher here with your Truck Chat Monthly Recap, sponsored by Chevron, where I break down what's new, what's next, and what's working for the fleets that keep our world moving. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. All right, let's jump in. First up, we've launched something brand new, Work Truck's 2025 Remarketing Report Series. If you felt the ups and downs in resale values over the past couple of years, you are absolutely not alone. This new series is designed to make sense of the data and give you a clearer view of the market heading into 2026. We talk about what segments are stabilizing, which ones are still soft, how supply is influencing pricing, and what fleets can expect as more used inventory finally comes back into the pipeline. It's a great resource for anyone trying to time their replacements or justify budgets with leadership. Next up, let's talk about something fleets of all sizes run into: the flat rate mileage pay structure. The folks at Modest helped me dive into what happens when this model starts failing your most productive drivers. For some fleets, the people doing the heaviest lifting end up earning less simply because their routes don't rack up as many miles. This article breaks down why that mismatch happens, how it affects morale, what it means for retention, and the creative ways fleets can adjust pay to reward effort rather than just odometer readings. If your drivers have ever said they put in more work but brought home less money, this piece will give you the clarity you need to figure out what's really going on. Let's shift to seasonal risks. As the holidays get closer, we know theft picks up. There are more packages on the truck, distracted fleet drivers thinking about their shopping lists and not locking up their vehicle, and more service calls than you had in the past 3 months. Our guide on safeguarding your fleet from holiday theft walks you through everything that gets targeted this time of year, from tools and equipment to full work vehicles. It explains how thieves take advantage of predictable schedules, what they look for in poorly lit yards or parking areas, and what small operational tweaks can dramatically reduce the chances of becoming a victim. It's a quick read, but it gives you actionable steps you can roll out immediately so your fleet isn't caught off guard. We also highlighted a great opportunity for workforce development. Applications just opened up for a grant program focused on giving students hands-on training in propane autogas systems. With the technician shortage showing no signs of slowing down, programs like this are becoming more and more important. It's a direct pipeline for young people to get the skills fleets desperately need, especially as more operations adopt alternative fuels. If you're thinking about the long-term health of your maintenance department, or for a new career path, this is worth looking into. And your latest reminder: voting is officially open for all three Work Truck Awards. That includes Medium Duty Truck of the Year, Commercial Van of the Year, and Upfit Package of the Year. We've pulled everything together inside our Work Truck Award Research Hub so you can compare models, see what's new, and make an informed vote. If you rely on these vehicles every day, your opinion matters, and this is your chance to help shape what OEMs prioritize next. Now let's shift into our video spotlight for the month because we've got a good mix of fun, practical, and forward-thinking pieces. The first one is a behind-the-scenes look at a little project I took on recently: starting a build for the Corporate Soapbox Derby Challenge. I'm super excited to be working on something both fun and that benefits a fantastic cause, the Hourglass Foundation. I'll be working on the sponsorship details, behind the scenes content, and so much more. So stay tuned and work a little bit extra into your 2026 budgets to support this fantastic effort. We've also got a great conversation around AI coaching. The tech is getting smarter, but at the end of the day, people still want to be coached by, well, people. This video digs into how fleets are pairing analytics with real human connection so drivers feel supported instead of singled out. If you're rolling out new tools and trying to build trust at the same time, this is a good one to check out. There's also a really solid how-to for anyone with mechanics trucks in the mix. It walks through setting up a service crane safely and efficiently, mounting, stabilization, the whole thing. If you've got techs doing mobile service or handling crane-equipped units, this is definitely something to share with your team. And finally, we have 2 new At the Show episodes. Did you miss Fleet Forward Conference, or were you there and still couldn't hit all the booths? I chatted with Kim Davidson of the Hourglass Foundation and Brian Barber of Sortimo to talk through the technician shortage and smarter upfitting. Check them out, and more episodes from the event will be coming soon. All right, let's round it out with the quick hits, fast fleet updates you might have missed. Stellantis outlined its fleet growth vision for 2026, including a stronger focus on self managed fleets, connected vehicle data, and improving upfit timing and lifecycle support. Continental is using vacuum technology to study tire wear particles, giving us a glimpse into how future tire design may evolve. Pep Boys released data identifying the metro areas with the toughest roads for drivers, and some cities are giving suspensions and tires a serious workout. And Re Automotive is partnering with Mitsubishi Fuso on software defined commercial vehicle technology, taking a step toward more modular and flexible platforms for fleets. That's it. We made it. I covered remarketing, fair driver pay, holiday theft prevention, technician pipelines, award voting, hands on videos, and a whole lot of fast moving fleet news. If something here helped you today, or you just enjoyed hanging out for a moment, hit that like button, subscribe to Truck Chat, and share this with your fleet crew. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll catch you next month with more insights, more updates, and more of what keeps your fleet rolling. I'll see you on the road.